Hello everyone. In today's chemical-dominated world, celebrating festivals like Holi seems scary, isn't it? Well, here's a wonderful video to make some organic, non-toxic colors for Holi at home. I shall show you two different ways to celebrate Holi in an organic way. Firstly, let's make some color powder with cornstarch and food color. Take some cornstarch in a bowl, add a pinch of food color into it and mix it all well. Just add some water to the mix. There you go. See the magic. Stir it well and pour the mixture in a plate. Leave it to dry under the sun for some time. Once dried, this is how it looks. Just press it and it'll be powdered back. There you go. Just look at our non-toxic Holi colors. Our second method is to create organic watercolor. Using spinach, beetroot and turmeric, we can turn our water colorful. Just grind some spinach and add the pulp to the bucket full of water. That's it. You can see the water turning green. Similarly, see this beetroot pulp turning our water purple. While these are absolutely safe even for babies and animals, they are not as bright as the commercial colors sold in the market. Hope you all like this inexpensive, safe, toxin-free and of course made with a lot of love Holi colors video. If you do, hit the like button and share your comments. Please subscribe if you have not yet. This is your Sue signing off.